Welcome to our professional development series on human resources and talent management. Today, we are going to explore the critical topic of grievance handling. Effectively managing employee complaints and concerns is vital for maintaining a healthy and productive workplace. Let us start by defining what a grievance actually is. A grievance is not just a casual comment. It is a formal complaint raised by an employee regarding their employment conditions, workplace environment, or a violation of their rights. It is important to distinguish this from general dissatisfaction or informal complaints, as a grievance requires a formal resolution process. Why should organizations care? First, it ensures legal compliance, protecting the company from lawsuits. Second, it boosts employee morale by making staff feel heard and valued. Finally, resolving conflicts quickly maintains high productivity levels by removing distractions. Grievances usually stem from four main areas: working conditions, such as safety or poor environments; management policy, like wage issues or unfair scheduling; supervision issues, including favoritism or lack of communication; and personal factors, such as conflicts between colleagues. A structured process is key to fairness. The typical 5-step process involves receiving the grievance, investigating the facts, meeting with the employee, making a decision, and finally, allowing for an appeal. Let us look at these steps in detail. Step 1 is receiving and defining the issue. You must promptly acknowledge receipt of the grievance to build trust. Then, work to clearly define the issue. Is it a policy violation or a personal conflict? Correct categorization sets the stage for a proper investigation. Step 2 is the investigation. This must be objective. Gather all facts, documents, and records. Interview witnesses confidentially and review your company policies. Acting quickly is crucial to prevent tensions from escalating. Step 3 is the meeting. The goal here is to understand, not to interrogate. Practice active listening, hold the meeting in a private setting, and keep detailed records. Showing empathy can go a long way in de-escalating the situation. Step 4 is decision-making. Weigh the evidence impartially and ensure your decision aligns with past precedents. When you communicate the decision, do it in writing and clearly explain your reasoning to the employee. The final step is the appeal and follow-up. Employees must have the right to appeal if they disagree with the outcome. Also, do not forget to follow up weeks later to ensure the solution is working and no retaliation has occurred. Here are some best practices for managers. Maintain an open-door policy to catch issues early. Be timely with your responses. Be consistent to avoid discrimination claims, and ensure you know your company's policy inside and out. Fairness, speed, and transparency build trust. To conclude, effective grievance handling turns potential conflict into an opportunity for improvement. It builds a transparent culture and ensures every employee feels safe and valued. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.